Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for the weekend, July 19th and 20th, 2014. We're going to start off with Saturday here first and take a look at an area of precipitation that's going to be to our west here. This is going to be in association with a very weak area low pressure moving through the Tennessee Valley here. This low pressure is going to actually move up here like this to our southeast and then head off the New Jersey coastline by Sunday morning. So it's going to scoot along pretty quickly, but with high pressure sitting over New England here, it's actually going to put up a block here. So we're not going to be able to, this precipitation is not going to be able to get into this area here because of this high pressure influence here, keeping that rain out further to the west here. So we're dealing with any precipitation, we don't think, except for maybe in our extreme western counties out by State College. And then as we get into the overnight hours, we might have a little tiny piece of this energy break off and head to the northeast, and you might have a quite quick shower in the overnight hours here on Sunday night. So this is a look right now at Saturday morning. Now, one thing with this, just because we're not getting any rain per se, you're still going to have some cloud cover that's going to move in from this this leftover convection. And because of the close proximity of this system here, I do think you're going to get into mostly cloudy skies across our coverage area here. So this, basically our entire coverage area here will be in these mostly cloudy skies. Also going to have a east-southeast wind off the, not very strong, but for at least the coastal areas, will keep it mostly cloudy or cloudy altogether. So majority of our area is mostly cloudy mainly because of the system in close proximity to our southwest. And then, of course, that's going to clouds hold with us Saturday night and early Sunday. Sunday is probably going to be one of those days where it starts off with clouds and breaks for sun in the afternoon. So it won't be a total loss this weekend. It's not going to be a great weekend, though. At the same time, I don't think I could call this a fantastic weekend, but at the same time, I can't call it a horrible weekend because we're not really dealing with a lot of rain. So, as we get into the overnight hours here. Here's the overnight hours here as we get into actually very early Sunday morning. Might be a shower for some areas, and then that moves out of here, and we're not dealing with any precipitation the rest of the day. Here's the NAM high res future simulated radar. This is looking at starting off at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday. You can see some showers here. It's just spotty, and this is mainly for our western areas here. Nothing going on across the majority of our coverage area, but again, that the clouds will be influencing your weather, keeping temperatures down. Also an easterly flow by the Jersey Shore. Here is overnight Saturday night, and you can see a little piece of energy here maybe breaking off from this and heading across our coverage area here with a few showers in the wee hours of the morning. And of course, this would be out of here very early Sunday, and so will the clouds. Clouds will break for sun again on Sunday afternoon. Not looking at any precipitation really the rest of the week here. As we get into Tuesday, you might have an isolated shower or thunderstorm. That's just shown here with this gray here. The model is just trying to simulate where it thinks there could be a possible shower or thunderstorm. And the same thing will hold through for Wednesday. But one thing we're going to be dealing with in the Tuesday-Wednesday time frame is you're going to have an increase in heat and humidity. Of course, high pressure is down here, so increase in heat and humidity, and temperatures are going to be close to 90 degrees or into the lower 90s as we get into your day on Wednesday. So that'll be the peak heating day. This cold front up to the north here is going to push through here on Thursday, and of course we're going to have a more scattered chance at showers and thunderstorms, more concentrated, I should say, of showers and thunderstorms, and that'll be later on Thursday, and you can see that right here with the showers and thunderstorms. These could be stronger, possibly even severe. Of course, it's getting a little bit ahead of ourselves, but this would be late Thursday, and it would still be very warm to hot on Thursday ahead of this cold front, depending on the timing of this. If it comes in late in the day, of course, you can get some heating going, and it'll be hot again on Thursday as well. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Right now, we're worried about the weekend, and just mostly cloudy across our coverage area for the majority of your Saturday night, maybe a shower overnight Saturday night, and then early Sunday morning you could have the clouds lingering around yet, but then clouds breaking for sun on Sunday afternoon. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your forecast for the weekend, July 19th and 20th, 2014. Have a great weekend.